bet you guys thought that was a truck. No, actually, that's just me, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, backing up an all-new 2020 13 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. Join me for this week's walkthrough. Right back here, what we have is an absolute unit of an engine. I'm talking about a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke. Get you scooting right along even when you got a couple passengers on board. One of the things they switched up last year when they redesigned this model, put a nice little swim ladder back here. These two nifty swim platforms, back flip, front flip, who cares? Choice is yours, in water you go. Hey Landon, over here. I know this thing's easy to drive as a golf cart, but that walkthrough will come later. Let's get back to the boat. Anyways, over here about as simple as it gets. Hose and go as Boston Whaler calls it. Carefree boating process, got an external fuel tank, your throttle right here, steering wheel, anybody can hop on and rip it. Up top here we've got a nice bimini, keep the sun off us. Down here, got a nice storage compartment, keep everything nice and clean and dry. Your registrations, your dry bag, put it in there, phone, wallet, keys, check, 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 you know the deal. Up here towards the front of the boat, got quite a bit more storage, nice anchor locker. Have a gander in there, Landon. I know that this isn't a big extensive boat walkthrough, but I want you to picture this right now. You pull up to the sandbar, you got a couple people with you, everybody else is freaking out, anchoring up, you got the current going. We're gonna do a big who cares right now, because on the 13 Sport, you just drive right up on the beach and then push it off when you're done. All right, Gabe, stop it right there. So you guys get the gist of it. Thanks, Gabe. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I look forward to getting you and your family out on the water. Bye, guys.